input study area dataset. Okay, there is one step missing here for the water or marsh area. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there is one. Okay, it's not missing. It's right here. All right, it's just the. I see. Yeah, everything is fine. So there's one other thing we're going to do, and that is to make these variables. And this one will be a variable for the distances. Of course, all of them are going to be distance variables. So I need to be able to rename this and say these are the inputs river distances. Input river distances. Make this one also a variable for distances, and we shall call it first of all, make it a model parameter. Make this one also a model parameter. Then rename this one to input marsh distances. Then we shall also make the building distances a parameter, and rename this to building distances input buildings distances. Then we'll do the same for the water. Make it a variable. Then make it a model parameter and rename it input water distances. And finally we do the same for the main roads. Make this a variable model parameter, then make it a variable in the model, and that means we can now rename this one as input input roads distances. So then we can rearrange our model, and that's what we get. Now remember, we have just done a few we've just completed some of the preliminary steps, but we are looking for one final output which we should be able to get. So we're going to now punch in, bring in the weighted sum tool, which should be able to help us. So we'll find the tool for weighted sum under the overlay toolbox in the spatial analysis tools, and this one should now enable us to drop in all the output rasters for the 5 criteria. So we shall begin with the one at the topmost, and that is the reclassified um, um, feature 1. Then we'll go to reclassified feature 2. Then we shall go to the reclassified feature 3. Then go to reclassified feature 4. And finally the reclassified feature 5. Now these are called reclassified because we haven't renamed them in the model, and this could be a bit problematic to know which is which, so that means we have to go and rename these outputs. So this is
It's 17 hours.
okay. So we know that this is the output for buildings, so we shall rename it as we shall rename all of these ones to make them look sensible. So we shall now name this one criterion buildings, raster resolution 1 meter. Then we rename this one criterion water, raster resolution 1 meter. Then we shall rename this one criterion main roads, criterion roads